Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an email signature to Yahoo Mail. It's only going to take a few easy steps, so let me share my computer screen. As you can see on my screen, I already have the generated signature. I generated my email signature for free with Woodpecker email signatures, but you can create your signatures wherever you want. In the case of Yahoo, we have to copy the email signature with all the styles, so you have to click on the copy email signature button. I got my Yahoo Mail open. Click on Settings, which are located in the upper right corner. When a pop-up window appears, click on More Settings. Now you need to pick the Writing Email option, which is located right here. The next step is to select an account to which you want to add your signature. Click on the switch here, on the right side of the signature, so that it turns blue. Now go to the field under Signature, where it says Write Something. Paste your signature there. Now when you start writing an email, your signature should be visible in the message field. From now on, this email signature will be included in every email you send from Yahoo Mail. If you want to see more videos like this, where I add this email signature to different email clients, check out our YouTube channel, where you can find valuable video tutorials and much more. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe.